Private equity is something of an umbrella term. And within that umbrella term, you have phrases like general partner, GP, manager, fund manager. Those all say the same thing. Those four terms refer to a private equity firm that operates a private equity fund. But you'll also hear things like MBO funds, management buyout fund, LBO, and even in some cases, hedge fund. They all mean the same thing as well. And that's just a larger version of what a private equity firm actually is. In a nutshell, private equity is a broad term which is used to describe the investments made by private equity funds into companies and then selling those companies a few years later. It's an opportunity for investors to gain access to the returns which they can't normally gain access to because these companies are private businesses, they're not listed on the stock exchange, and by and large, an individual investor or even a superannuation fund can't actually buy them. That's what private equity does.